Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on the super fresh 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. So the first step in install is take your key fob, put it 10 feet away from your car with the driver's door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Behind there, you'll see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and then plug the Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. The Sprint Booster comes with 36 unique modes for automatic and manual, including 9 modes in sport mode, and another 9 modes in race mode. Along with that, you also get pedal lock mode, which deletes your throttle input. That way if they step on the pedal, nothing happens to your throttle body. You also have valet mode, which in turn limits your throttle pedal output, so that if somebody were to take your car for a drive, they can't rev it out all the way, and it gives you a lot more security with your Sprint Booster. Well, that's it everybody. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. And let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. Thanks everybody. Bye now.